thunderstorm warning for northern Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:45 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Churchill State Park to near Maxton, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bennettsville, McCall, Chevitttown, Wallace, Gibson, and Tatum. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. For the following counties in South Carolina.